Hey guys, Armageddon here today with a super custom Go Fast Race Glock. This thing is crazy. It's got some really cool upgrades. Let's talk about it because this is one wild unit. On loan to me from Black Box Customs, they did this whole build. This is not a self-defense friendly firearm. No, this is really meant for range use or competition use. It attaches to the frame directly. It's independent of the slide. Even while you're shooting and the slide is reciprocating, your optic remains stationary, so you can keep that dot right on target. It also has this lever here, which is called a gas pedal, and that allows you just to get your support hand some really nice leverage on there, keep everything nice and stable. Nice double comp from Agency Arms is attached directly to the barrel, so you can see as the slide reciprocates, that's an independent part. Nice double undercut on the frame here, laser stippling, mag extension to get a few extra in there, as well as add some weight so they drop free. Flared magwell, and a super nice trigger from Fowler Industries.
Boom diggity.